The weather is an important part of our daily lives, and it can change quickly depending on the place and the time of year. In some regions, the climate is generally warm and dry, while in others it is cold and wet. Because of these differences, people around the world experience a wide variety of weather conditions. When the sun shines brightly and there are few clouds in the sky, the weather is described as sunny. Sunny weather often brings warm or hot temperatures, especially in summer. During heat waves, temperatures can rise above 30 degrees Celsius, and it is important to drink plenty of water and protect your skin from the sun. When the sky is covered with clouds, the weather is cloudy or overcast. Cloudy days are usually cooler, and they sometimes bring rain. Rain forms when water vapor in the air cools and turns into liquid water, which then falls from the clouds. After rainfall, the air often feels fresher and cleaner. In some cases, sunlight passing through raindrops creates a rainbow. In colder seasons, especially in winter, precipitation may fall as snow instead of rain. Snow forms when temperatures are at or below freezing 0 degrees Celsius. While snow can create beautiful landscapes, it can also cause problems such as icy roads and travel delays. When melted snow or rain freezes, it turns into ice, which can be dangerous for drivers and pedestrians. On very cold mornings, you may notice frost covering plants, roofs, and windows. Another important element of weather is wind, which is simply moving air. A gentle breeze can feel pleasant, but strong winds may cause damage. Severe weather conditions, including heavy rain, strong winds, thunder, and lightning, are known as a storm. Thunder is the loud sound that follows lightning, which is a powerful flash of electricity in the sky. Extremely strong storms have special names. A hurricane develops over warm ocean water, while a tornado is a rapidly rotating column of air that forms over land. Sometimes visibility is reduced because of fog, which is a thick cloud that forms near the ground. Fog can make driving difficult and requires people to be more careful. The weather affects what we wear, what we do, and how we feel every day. It is a topic of interest to many people and is different all around the world. How is the weather where you live?